Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying basics that matter. Confirm the Gen 3 firmware and device connection, because outdated firmware can change audio processing. Next, clean the speaker meshes with a 0.5 brush and soft cloth to remove debris that blocks sound. Once done, run quick mono tests, play left-only and right-only tracks, so you know if the issue is one side, both, or intermittent. These checks save time, and they tell you which targeted fixes to apply next. Now you perform deeper diagnostics. Forget the AirPods and Bluetooth, reboot your phone, then repair to clear software glitches that affect codecs. Make sure spatial audio is off and EQ is set to flat. These settings can mask frequency issues. Check the charging case contacts and confirm both earbuds reach full charge, because low power can cut high frequencies. If interference persists, try pairing to another device to separate phone from earbud faults, and note any consistent behavior. Finish with targeted resets and recovery steps. Perform a force reset by holding the case button for 15 seconds until amber then white flashes. This clears deeper firmware glitches. If that fails, try pairing with a different OS device to trigger a firmware recovery path. Update when prompted. Make sure to retest audio after each step. If sound problems persist, it's likely a hardware fault. Contact Apple support or an authorized repair. One key tip: document your tests and timestamps to speed up service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.